indicator here. It's a Barnard. Definitely relay logic. Oh, my camera doesn't want to focus. There we go. Hold on a second. Let me give it a quick little light level. Anyway, ignore that. Oh, the button's original out here. That's cool. I love these old CJA buttons. They're very cool. Anyway, let's get our cab view. Very nice. Oh, you can see the infrared lights on the camera. Usually Barnards say the name on the cert frame, but not here. 2,000 pound capacity. All right, down to 1. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus in here. Pretty cool though, like an old Barnard or a Barnard, or you pronounce it right. Anyway, it just sits open, so that's it.